they say I am crazy. I am blazing through these phases. Why contain it? They say I am crazy. I am blazing through these phases.
I had so much to lose, but I couldn't stand losing you. You caught me at a time where I was battered and bruised. Had my spark stolen and my heart broken, and you were the only one with the tools. It was hard holding up my arms, slowing up my head, sinking right in the pool. All my bras rolled off of me, all my closest friends turned and hit me with the deuce. Biggest reality check in the longest of destiny calls. I never thought that I'd lose all the ones that I love just to say that I made it this far. I never thought that I'd kill a whole game in a minute. A round of applause, hats off. You'll never say I'm a fluke or a one-hit wonder or another one that's left off. I was all about you, like I had nothing to do. Feelings caught out in the air, I had something to prove. So into you I was screwed. Can't even focus on anything, I'm skipping school. Hustling money for juice, to pick you up from your place to the club, I was cool. My exes call me a fool, but I never gave them half a fuck, let alone two.
Why contain it? They say I am
But I
crazy.
gave 3 fucks about you.
I am blazing through these
All I cared about
phases.
was you.
Why contain it? They say I am crazy. I am blazing through these phases.
I was all about us, loving, compassion, and trust. Finally got to cuff the one that was always my crush. You was my angel as dust. You were my everyday drug, my escape from the club. You were my homie, my bruh. Escape from the club. You were my homie, my bruh. Escape from the